Hi, this video is about Acme. It is a user interface for programmers. This is how Acme looks when you first launch it. Let's see user interface of Notepad and Notepad++ first. This is Notepad application running on Wine in Ubuntu. These are the menus. You can type whatever you want. This is Notepad++ application running on Wine in Ubuntu. It too has drop-down menus and some icons which can perform like saving or printing the file. You can create a new tab. Let's pull it to the another view. Okay, this tab is not in focus. This one is in focus. Even though if the mouse is here, if we type, it will reflect only in this tab. To install Acme on your system, search internet for Acme SAC. SAC stands for Standalone Complex. Let's see Acme user interface. Acme uses mouse extensively. This is how mouse pointer looks in a normal application. When we move it onto Acme, it turns into a black mouse pointer. When we click on a corner, it turns into a square mouse pointer. There are no menus, there are no icons. Everything in Acme is text. This is scroll bar. This is a column and this is another column. This is body and this is a tag. Combination of body and tag called a window. You can see multiple cursors. Every body and every tag has its own cursor. Focus in Acme works differently from other applications. In order to gain focus, you don't need to click on a window. You just have to place mouse pointer that window. So whenever you want to type in a window, mouse pointer should be present in that window. Let me start typing. If I move the mouse pointer to another body, text will automatically typed in that body. I don't need to click to gain focus. Acme requires 3-button mouse to interact. Left click is used to select text. The middle click or the scroll wheel click is used to execute text. Right click is used to search text. Using the left click, we can highlight the text. It will be highlighted in yellow. Using the middle click, we can execute the command. It will be highlighted in red. When we release the middle button, command will be executed. Hello world is printed. Using the right click, the text will be highlighted in green. It will search for the next occurrence of the word. If we click again with the right click, it will go to the next word. Combinations of mouse buttons can perform different actions. Left click plus middle click will cut the text. Left click plus right click will paste the text. Select the text using left click. You want to cut it, hold down the left click and then click the middle button. You want to paste it, click left button and then right button. You want to just copy the text, select the text with left click, click the middle button and then click the right button. It has just copied the text. We can use left click to move the columns. We can use left click to increase size of window, middle click to make the window occupy most of the column, but we can still see other windows. Right click to make the window occupy entire column. We can use left click to move the column, resize it. We can use left click to resize window. If we click once, it will resize. We can click again. If we click middle button, it will make the window to occupy most of the column. Still we can see other windows. If we do a right click, it will make the window to occupy entire column. Now we cannot see other windows. To see them again, we can do a left click. Here is the hidden window. We can move windows from column to column using the left click. In Acme, scroll bar is present on the left side. We can use scroll wheel to scroll up and down. We can use left click to scroll up and right click to scroll down. Scroll bar is present on the left. We can use scroll wheel, scroll down or up. If we use the right button, it will scroll down again. If we use the left click and scroll up, the amount of scroll depends on how far are you from the tag. If you are close to the tag line, the scrolling will be small. Right click, small scroll. If you are far away from the tag line, then the scroll will be huge. You can scroll up using the left click here, big scroll, small scroll down, big scroll down. Here are some commands which are understood by Acme, like cut will cut the text, delete will delete the window, delete column, delete the column. New will create a new window, new column will create a new column. And use put to save the file. If we middle click on new window will be created and mouse will be moved to that window. We do it again, another window will be created and mouse will be moved there. We do it again, another window will be created. If we click on delete, it will close the window and moves the mouse to last executed command. If we click delete again, this window closed. If we click on new column, another column will be created. and mouse pointer is moved to this column. If we click again, another column is created. If we click on delete column, that column will be deleted. If we middle click on delete column, that column will be deleted. If we click on Xerox, another window of the same file will be created. If we click on cut, it will cut itself. If we click on paste, whatever was there in the buffer will be pasted. On again, whatever was in the buffer will. Commands in Acme need not be present in the tags. It can be present anywhere in Acme. Let's say there is a command in the body. If we middle click on this command, another column will be created. It need not be present in the tag. It can be present in the body. These are some keyboard shortcuts we can use in Acme standalone complex. These are normal keyboard shortcuts. You can use Control C to copy, Control V to paste, Control V to paste. Double click to select the entire word, Control X to cut, again Control V to paste. We can use the Control Z undo. This was Introduction to Acme, a user interface for programmers. Thank you for your time.